Tucked along the edge of a quiet forest in Asserbo, Denmark, Forest House by Primus Arkitekter is a refined expression of Scandinavian restraint, where nature, materiality, and architectural intention merge to form a serene retreat. Built in 2014, this 108 square meter home stands on a narrow, elongated plot that stretches toward heathland views and embraces the forest as its primary backdrop. The design cleverly shuts out nearby neighboring houses to provide an immersive, almost exclusive relationship with the woods. From the outside, the house appears calm and modest, but step closer, and you'll see a facade clad in solid oak boards treated with iron sulfate, a natural substance that weathers the wood to a muted silver gray, helping the home blend seamlessly with the forest environment over time. Inside, the spatial experience is defined by a unique skewed plan. This diagonal orientation isn't just about aesthetics. It allows framed views of the heath, while also organizing the layout into distinct yet connected living zones. Hidden doors and built-in storage are seamlessly integrated behind oak paneling, emphasizing minimalism while maximizing functionality. One of the central ideas was to create a space that could host large gatherings without compromising on intimacy. The floor plan answers this challenge gracefully. Generous ceiling heights, achieved through a thoughtful interpretation of local building codes, let natural light pour in, enhancing the sense of openness while still maintaining a human scale. The interior material palette is intentionally pared down but deeply tactile. The floors are polished concrete with integrated heating, bringing warmth and modern utility. Interior walls, made from wooden boards of varying thicknesses, catch sunlight and cast soft shadows, turning the house into a canvas of shifting textures throughout the day. The kitchen and bathrooms were designed in collaboration with interior consultant Louise de Fønss, who helped ensure that every element, from custom cabinetry to the fittings, contributed to the calm, cohesive aesthetic. The refined millwork by Copenhagen's Møbelsnedkeri, combined with sleek windows from H.S. Hansen, reflect a dedication to quality craftsmanship. Despite its compact footprint, the house feels expansive. The openness to the forest, the simplicity of the materials, and the efficiency of the layout work together to create a home that feels larger than it is, emotionally and experientially. This is a house that doesn't shout, it whispers, and in doing so, it connects deeply with the landscape and with those who inhabit it. Forest House is a thoughtful example of how architecture can embrace constraints, site, regulation, privacy, and transform them into creative opportunities. It is not just a place to live, but a carefully tuned instrument for experiencing nature, solitude, and togetherness.